Hey guys, Derek here with the Closet Doctor. I want to show you a quick improvement that I made to my Peloton. I'm here in my workout area. Last year, I had this about a year, really enjoy it. Last year when I went into the store to buy it, I'd had done work for two customers that both told me, get the nicer one. It's got the swivel screen. It's got some other cool features. I went into the store, I had a terrible salesman, and he talked me out of buying the upgraded one. And so I bought one with the standard screen. Kind of frustrated me. So let me show you how I fixed it and how I improved it for about 15 bucks. So in the link below, in the description below, there is a link to Amazon. And what you do is you go on there and you buy this little bracket. It's about a $15 bracket, $16 bracket. And what it does is you take your screen off of the mount right here and you add this bracket on here. And what it allows you to do is it gives you movement front and back on the screen, but then you can also rotate it sideways and adjust it. And so now you can do classes and stuff like that over there for about 15 bucks and literally 5 minutes of installation. It comes with good clear instructions and it comes with all the tools that you need to make that upgrade. So if you've got a Peloton and you need to improve it, you want to have a swivel screen on it, this is a simple, easy solution. Go to the link in the description and order one up.